Hey there, my friend, fellow traders. Will here over at FXAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So, start of May 2020, and we're just off the back of two excellent trading weeks. That kind of brought our May results to break even, basically because of the Easter break. Volatility kind of slowed down the first 2 weeks of April in the markets, but last week they absolutely lit up again with a superb finish to the month. Okay, so before we get into today's video, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed to it yet, you can simply hit the subscribe button now to stay up to date with all my latest videos and weekly free trade alerts that I send to you, also free strategies and basically videos that help you evolve as a Forex trader. Okay, so subscribe now and let's get into what you've actually clicked on the video for. This week's free trade setup, and this week we're going to look at the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar Forex pair. Okay, so I've actually been trying to trade this for 3 weeks. It's hanging about where I've been each week for the entry, but I'm very confident this week that this one's going to finally plummet. It's just been moved and I'm stuck in a bit of a distribution phase at the minute. And with all the Aussie pairs kind of plummeting last week, this here one is ready to its prime for dropping. Okay, so I'm going to hide my face here. And just let me do it. Okay, so Aussie CAD, this is what we're looking at here. Okay, so looking to sell this at 0.9060, stop loss at 0.91 800, and take profit at around about 0.85. Okay, so, and if it doesn't hit the take profit throughout the week, we'll take off this EA. Okay, if it doesn't hit the take profit throughout the trading week, we simply close on a Friday. Okay, so as you can see, the market has come up into this weekly area here, and I am expecting this. Like I said, is expecting a bit of a resistance here on it. Okay, so it's up where I was looking to enter it last week. This is 0.94. Okay, so again, I'm looking to enter it again this week. Based in this weekly area. You can see the daily chart here, the daily zone. Okay, I actually went up. This was looking to enter this area here. Last week at this high, just popped up above it, up to the higher level, which is no dramas. Still in this trade personally from last week, and again, we're in the daily, inside the weekly. What do we look for? We look for a divergence signal on the 4-hour charts, and that's what happened last week. So I'm liking this pair to drop down. So you can either enter it as a pending order, or you can just enter it on when the market's open on Monday. Okay, so it's completely up to you. As always, trade at your own risk. Okay, so this video is just for advice and showing you where I am liking to enter. So this week's trade is sell AUD CAD at 0.904 or sorry 6. If it pops up a little bit, or enter directly from the market open. It's completely up to you. Stop loss is, okay, stop loss at 0.9018. Okay, and our take profit is, I'll go over the take profit in a minute, all the way back down. Like some people, when they do these trades, do trigger, they like to take these trades for long term and hold them, because longer term they do like mostly always go down to the take profit targets. 85. Okay, so that's the trade. Stop now. You can write that down, scribble that down somewhere, or just take a screenshot. Okay, so we enter the trade about an hour after the market's open, so we don't get the big spreads. Okay, and the take profit, again, the take profit is, I'm liking it down here. So like I said, some people like to hold these long term, and you can see this is kind of the 85 area here. Kind of cause this move up here. So if this starts to drop, For a period of time, you are liking it down here. You can see the weekly area here. Okay. If it plays out over the coming weeks, be a good target. Okay. So that's the trade. Down, take profits down around this area here. We're getting in at 0.9600. Okay. So yeah. So hopefully you get in. Hopefully you get some profits. And we've got another 22 setups that are programmed in for tomorrow. And if you're looking for a successful signal service that actually works and actually guarantees you results, then simply click the link below, because unlike other channels out there, we actually guarantee we put our trading where our mouse are. We guarantee you results, because if we are traders, we say we're traders, and we're consistently getting results from the market, and we cannot duplicate that for you, then we're not traders. That's why we guarantee it. We put our trading where our mice are. So to access our service, simply click the link below. Any questions, let me know, will@thefxace.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. Happy trading.